Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we're looking at another foundational move in dance, the plie. Plie is another French word like pendu, and it means to bend. You'll probably start to notice that a lot of these dance words are just basic French words, and hopefully that makes it a little bit less intimidating. So for your plie, you're going to start with your feet together in first position. And if you don't remember first position, you can check out my 5 positions video where I go through all of them. Keep your heels on the ground and bend your knees until you feel like the heels have to come up. And then straighten out. And that's your plie. Easy, right? Now what we just learned is called Demi Plié, or half bend. We'll go over demi a bit more moving forward, and then we'll get into some more technique with demi plié and grand plié, or full bend. For now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjproductionstudios.com for more.